It all started with just one life, one person willing to say yes to Jesus. From that single life, a small cell group was born. What seemed ordinary at first became the spark of something extraordinary. Week after week, the seed of discipleship was planted. Lives were being changed, faith was growing, and a family in Christ was being built. But the journey was never without challenges. There were trials, there were seasons of testing. And then came the pandemic. Churches closed, gatherings stopped, but the movement of God could not be stopped. When the world seemed silent, the Lord was still at work. Living rooms became churches, households became altars of worship, and in the most difficult of times, God proved Himself faithful. And as the world reopened, so did the doors of opportunities. What began in small rooms and houses was brought into a bigger place, a greater venue where more lives could be reached, more voices could be lifted, and more disciples could be raised for Jesus. These years have been marked by God's overflowing joy, His joy that became our strength, lifted weary hearts, renewed hope, and filled lives with gladness. Truly, the joy of the Lord never runs dry. And in 2024, the Lord opened new doors into the campuses. Campus for Runners was birthed, a movement of young people rising as disciples and disciple makers, carrying the fire of the gospel to their schools and universities. A new generation is being equipped, empowered, and released to live boldly for Christ. This is a proof that the future of discipleship is alive and burning bright. God also opened doors beyond the church walls. Partnerships were established, including with CADA, the City Anti-Drug Abuse Council, where together we stand as a light in the darkness, bringing hope, freedom, and transformation to our communities. For 10 years, we have witnessed the hand of God at work, souls saved, leaders raised, and communities transformed. From one life to multitudes, His kingdom continues to advance in this generation. And through all these years, through challenges, breakthroughs, and new beginnings, one truth remains unshaken: the unwavering faithfulness of our God. He carried us, He has sustained us, and He has led us into this new season. Ecclesia Bukidnon, this is our story. 10 years of discipleship, 10 years of joy, 10 years of God's unfailing faithfulness, from one life to many lives, from small beginnings to a movement that will never stop until the nations hear the gospel. And the best is yet to come. To God be all the glory. Ecclesia, keep multiplying. The Lord is with you.